Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to make Anda Paratha. This is one of the tastiest recipe people like to eat in Pakistan as breakfast. And I have made it a little bit unique. People love to eat Anda and Paratha separately, but I have made it all together, and this is like a unique recipe and it tastes so good that you're absolutely going to love it and eat it as your breakfast. And your children does not like to eat Anda separately with the paratha, they're absolutely going to love it and eat it as a paratha form. So without any further delay, let's get straight towards the video. First of all, I've taken one egg and I'm gonna break it and take out the inner part, like the eatable part of it. I've broken the shell and take out the egg out of it. With that, I'm gonna beat it with the help of a fork. So I'm going to beat it quite well so that the white part, egg yolk and the egg white is mixed well. With that, I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoon of chili flakes. You can just decrease or increase the spiciness of this according to your taste. With that, I'm going to add 1 cup milk, and then I'm going to move towards like green chilies, chopped ones. As I mentioned, you can just decrease or increase the spices according to your taste. With that, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons chopped coriander, and you can add the coriander as well without chopping it. And I'm gonna add 1.5 teaspoon salt. You can add salt according to your taste. You can increase or decrease the quantity of salt. Some people like to eat more salt, some people like to eat less salt. Some people have blood pressure problems, so they do not add that much of salt, so you can add according to your taste. I've mixed all the ingredients quite well. Then I'm going to add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and I'm going to mix it again with the help of a wooden fork. I'm using a wooden fork. You can use any fork, or you can use a beater as well, or you can use an electric beater, but I'm making it easy for everyone to make at home, so I'm not using an electric beater. With that, I'm gonna add water. I'm gonna add 1.5 cup of water, and you can see you can just make this batter consistency the same. You can add water accordingly. And I've taken a pan, I've placed it on the stove and turn the stove on low flame. With that, I'm gonna add some oil onto it, and I'm gonna pour the batter onto it and place it carefully. It's just like pancake sort of thing, but it's known as paratha in Pakistan, so we're gonna make it. It's like pancake is a sweet one, but it's like a spicy one. So we're gonna make it, and we're gonna spread it all over the pan. While this paratha is being cooked, why don't you just go and hit the subscribe button. Once you're gonna hit the subscribe button, you will see a bell icon. Hit it and you will be updated by my latest videos on the first go. Now you can see you're gonna spread some oil onto it and let it cook, and you'll see there will be a little bubbles underneath the paratha. Once you're gonna see the bubbles underneath the paratha, we're gonna place egg onto it. I've taken the egg separately into the cup, and I'm going to add it onto this paratha. With that, I'm gonna add a pinch of salt onto it. It's just like a little pinch, so we're not gonna add that much of salt. And then we're going to move towards the next part. Now I'm gonna add a pinch of chili, and now we're gonna take a fork again, and then we're going to spread the egg onto the paratha with the help of a spoon. You can just follow the same process like I'm doing it. Just follow it up. This will help you a little more, and you won't get confused while doing everything. So just follow the same process like I'm doing it. And now you can see the egg has been spreaded all over the paratha with the help of a spoon. You can use a spoon or a fork, whatever you want to use, it's up to you. And now we're going to give it a flip, but before flipping it, we have to wait a little bit so that the egg turn out to be a little thick and it does not stick with the pan. Now you can see flip it, and you have to do it carefully so that the paratha does not get break, and do it with the help of a plastic spoon, because I'm using a non-stick pan, so use a plastic or a wooden spoon onto non-stick pans, because if you're going to use a metallic spoon, that's gonna destroy the non-stickness of the pan. I spread some oil onto it before flipping it so that it does not stick with the pan, like the egg side does not stick with the pan. And I'm gonna let it cook for 5 minutes, and then it's the time where we're going to say that our paratha is about to be ready. But we have to give it a little bit of color from each side, and then we can say it's completely ready. So let it cook for like 5 minutes and do it a little bit, tap on it with the help of a spoon so that it get properly. And now flip it again so that the other side is cooked as well, and there's a little bit of brown color onto it. When there's a little bit of brown color onto it, then we can say our paratha is completely ready. Now present it into a presentable place and eat it with sauce. You can eat it with raita, or you can eat it with whatever you like. So do try this recipe at home, share it with your friends and your family. And if you really like this recipe, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any query related to any video, just comment down the video you have query on, and I will be happy to reply you on the first go. And do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you're updated by my latest videos on the first go, and you're updated by my new recipes. Till then, goodbye, see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.